We have all heard about or seen the northern and southern lights, also known as the aurora. It is a beautiful display of colors seen in the night sky in places such as Norway, Sweden, or Iceland in the north, and Australia or New Zealand in the south. But have you ever wondered what actually happens? What is the real reason we see these colors? The sun releases charged particles which, due to their extreme temperatures, has a high amount of energy. And because of this, they get thrown out into the space in all different directions. When these particles come towards the Earth, they enter the Earth's atmosphere and the Earth's magnetic field. And because of this, they get pulled towards either pole of the Earth. Inside the atmosphere, these particles then collide with the different gases that are present, such as oxygen or nitrogen, and this causes the electrons of the gas to get excited, meaning that they have a higher energy. Now, in order to go back to its original state, this extra energy has to be released, which is done in the form of light, which is actually what we see. But what is the reason behind the different colors? Now, the colors are caused due to two main reasons. Number one is the type of gas that the particle collides with. For example, oxygen gives out red light or green light, whereas nitrogen gives out blue or purple light. The second reason is the height at which these gases are present. Now, each color takes a different amount of time to appear in the sky. For example, green light appears in less than a second, whereas red light takes much longer. It takes around 2 minutes to appear. So as we move closer to the Earth, as the height decreases, there are more and more collisions of these gases with other molecules that are present in the atmosphere. This means that there's less time for the gases to give out light, and so essentially the colors that are produced faster become more common as we move towards the Earth. So this is why we see the different shades in the lights. Initially on top you see red, followed by green, and then the different shades of purple and blue. Sometimes these colors even overlap to give shades of orange, yellow, or pink. Now, this is the reason behind the blend of colors that is seen in the northern and southern lights, and understanding the concept and the science behind it can help us truly appreciate the beauty of it more.